Unit 5 Recreation. Chapter 9 are festivals. Learning objectives. Religious festivals. National festivals. Harvest festivals. Each one of you must have taken part in festivals. India is a country of festivals. We all celebrate a number of festivals. We buy new clothes or enjoy at fairs and feasts. We eat ice cream and other special dishes made for the occasion. We can categorize festivals in the following groups. 1. Religious festivals. 2. National festivals. 3. Harvest festivals. Let me answer. Do you know about the national festivals? Give examples. 1. Religious festivals. Festivals which are celebrated according to religion are called religious festivals. India is a land of various religions. People of various communities celebrate their festivals. A few important religious festivals are Dussehra, Deepavali, Holi, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas and Guru Purab. Deepavali and Dussehra. Dussehra or Vijayadashmi is celebrated on the Dashmi Tithi of Ashwini Shukla Paksha. On this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravan. On this day, effigies of Ravan are burnt. This festival reminds us victory of truth over evil. Teachers' notes. Tell the students about the various types of festivals celebrated in our society. Tell them about the importance of these festivals. Deepavali is the festival of lights. It is the biggest festival of Hindus. Children celebrate this festival by playing with fireworks and crackers. People worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, and Lord Ganesha. This day comes 20 days after Dussehra. Houses are decorated with earthen lamps, candles, and electric bulbs. Eid ul Fitr. Ramzan is the very important month for the Muslims. They keep fast during this month. Eid ul Fitr comes after the month of Ramzan. They wear new clothes after namaz and say Eid Mubarak by embracing one another. They also prepare a sweet dish called sevaiya. Christmas. Christmas is the biggest festival of Christians. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December. Christians make and decorate Christmas tree. Guru Purab. Guru Purab is celebrated on the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev. The Sikhs decorate Gurudwaras and listen to Guru Bani. Kids IQ. Name the festival that is celebrated during the rainy season. Durga Puja. Durga is the goddess of Shakti, that is power. This festival is mainly celebrated in West Bengal during Navratra. They make beautiful earthen statues of the goddess Durga and worship them. Hindus keep fast during Navratra. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated all over the country. National festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. India became free on 15th August 1947. Before this, Indians were ruled by the Britishers. From this date, India became independent. Every year on this day, the Prime Minister hoists the tricolor flag on Red Fort in Delhi. Republic Day. India became a republic on 26 January 1950. The word republic means country governed by our own laws. On this day, various jhankis are displayed, cultural programs and parade are held at India Gate. Many function is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. The President takes the salute of the parade. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. So, on 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year. The main function is held at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Bapu. Harvest festivals. Festivals which are celebrated at the time of harvesting of crops are known as harvest festivals. Few harvest festivals which are important are as follows. Holi. Holi is mainly celebrated in North India. It marks the arrival of spring and the end of winter. This is also one of the big festivals of India. People gather at a place, they sing and dance and beat the drums. People throw colored water at each other and rub gulal. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in the month of January at the time of rice harvesting in Tamil Nadu. On this festival, cows are decorated and worshipped. This festival is celebrated for 3 days. Onam. In the month of August or September, this harvest festival is celebrated in Kerala. A special game of snake boat racing is held. Elephants are decorated on this day. Baisakhi. This festival is celebrated in Punjab. It is celebrated in the month of April. Men perform bhangra and girls perform gidda. Summary. People of various communities celebrate their festivals. India is a country of festivals. National festivals are celebrated all over the country. Harvest festivals are celebrated at the time of harvesting of crops. Exercise. A. Take the correct option. A. Dash is celebrated in Punjab. Baisakhi, Onam, Pongal. Answer. Baisakhi. B. Dash is the festivals of Christian. Guru Purab, Christmas, Holi. Answer. Christmas. C. Dash is celebrated on the birthday of Guru Nanak. Guru Purab, Holi, Dashera. Answer. Guru Purab. D. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August, 26th January. None of these. Answer. 15th August. B. Fill in the blanks. A. Deepavali is a dash festival. Answer. Hindu. B. Republic Day is a dash festival. Answer. National. C. Durga Puja is celebrated in dash West Bengal. D. Onam is celebrated in dash. Answer. Kerala. C. Right, true or false. 1. Ramzan is very important month for the Muslims. Answer. True. 2. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of the Sikhs. Answer. True. 3. Onam is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Answer. False. 4th. 5th September is celebrated as Children's Day. Answer. False. D. Answer the following questions. A. Which national festival is celebrated on 26th January? Answer. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. B. Which festival is known as Festival of Colors? Answer. Holi is known as the Festival of Colors. C. Which festival is known as Festival of Lights? Answer. Deepavali or Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. D. On which date Christmas is celebrated? Answer. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. A. Paste the picture of different festivals in your scrap file. B. Make a list of religious festivals.